Hey, this is George and welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to withdraw money from your Bovada account. So first of all, you need to open your account and you need to click your profile icon in the top right corner. After that, this section will appear on your screen and you need to click the withdraw button right here. Then it will show you different payment methods and you need to select your favorite payment method. In my case, it's Bitcoin, so I will choose Bitcoin. So in my case, I'm withdrawing Bitcoin. So I need to copy Bitcoin address from my wallet. It doesn't matter which exchange or wallet it will be. For example, I will copy my Bitcoin address from Binance or Cash App or any other platforms, guys. In my case, I will copy it from Binance. So I need to click deposit in the top left corner. Then I need to select deposit crypto. I need to select Bitcoin because I'm withdrawing Bitcoin from Bovada. I need to select the BTC Bitcoin network and I need to copy my wallet address. First of all, I need to enter the amount I'm withdrawing from Bovada to my Bitcoin wallet address. And then I need to paste my wallet address. I just copy it from my exchange or my wallet right here. And you need to click request withdrawal. So that's how you can withdraw money, in this case Bitcoin, from Bovada to your wallet. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.